Yeah, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Ironically, these things come with 20-inch rims. They're starting to hit these rims for theft also, besides the Lexus, Hondas, Chevy Tahoes, pickup trucks, Honda Accords, one of the biggest, Yukons, you name it. Toyota Camrys are top of the list right now too. So what we end up doing is adding a shock sensor add-on to this beautiful remote control to the factory alarm, because one of his biggest concern, he didn't want to carry another remote control around, which I don't blame the guy. So we end up incorporating the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if anybody tries to bust out the window, or they try to bust out one of the lug nut locks, that will fire off the alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. When you arm the alarm, you always got to wait about 30 seconds anyway. I'm going to go ahead and bang in the front tire, and that will set off the alarm. Turn it off, you're going to hit unlock on their fob, and that will disable the alarm. And then we also gave them, that's the shock sensor that takes care of the whole vehicle as far as any impact towards the vehicle. And we also gave them the upgraded sensor, which has a microphone in the inside that picks up high frequency sound, and that will be for in case somebody tries to basically not try. What they're doing right now is breaking your window. Instead of using a brick or a hammer like old school way, they're using which it's been around for a long time, but it's coming back in style right now. The center hole puncher, which is what the carpenters use to mark a hole in the wood. It's spring loaded, and this looks like a pen, and when you get it up against the glass and you press the button in the back, that sends the spring pushes out the needle, and it shatters your window. If it's a small car, the shock sensor will pick that up, but due to the fact that this is a big van, I didn't want to run the risk of that happening and the alarm not firing off. So we end up incorporating that high frequency sound sensor that will pick up center hole puncher, and a lot of times they use a piece of the pulse lamp on the spark plugs, and they toss it to the window, and that should shatter the window. So I'm going to take my key and just tap on the glass. And that will fire off the alarm. This alarm upgrade, factory alarm upgrade to the factory alarm, it's totally concealed. You don't see anything. It doesn't mess up your warranty on the vehicle or anything like that. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. This is Auto Alarm Specialist, and thank you for watching this video.